This is Gia, going sledding down the hill. Take one. She's putting on her gloves, zipping up her coat, getting her sled full of snow. Wait.
Let's do it.
And do it, and do it, do it, do it. She's going up the hill. She moved my sled out of the way. And there she goes. Falling as she goes up that hill. You see how many times she's falling? Let me get up. Don't look fine falling. You want me to cut? Look at her butt full of snow. Yole, yole, yole. She is almost there. She stopped for a quick second. She made it! And the crowd goes wild. Hey, hope you don't fall like me.
Ready?
Yep. And she made it.
Awesome.
She is buried in the snow. It was awesome. And the crowd will love it, laughing their butts off when they see you falling down the hill.
Let's do it.